So, very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So, let's start our analysis by looking at the SGX first. So, SGX is showing a gap up of 100 points, almost right. So, 0.6% up. Market is trading near 17,700. Okay. Now, yesterday we have seen a good sell-off in the later part of the session, right? Okay. Morning, it was a bullish session. Market was going up and heavy sell-off came up. Uh, this sell-off is probably is not so huge sell-off because we have already seen that market trend is continuously going up. Yesterday was the expiry also, and because of the expiry could be a unwinding, right? Okay, but market still looking positive from here. If you see the OI chart yesterday, we have seen an unwinding because of this data might take another few days to build up again because the change in the expiry. But as of now, it suggests that there is no heavy sell-off as of now. It's just a profit booking again because of the expiry. So that is the thing. Now, if you're looking at the levels, market closes around yesterday. Sorry, market closes around 17,500, right? The trend is still looking positive for us, right? So that was a good opportunity to buy for Nifty, right? Okay, as soon as market is holding this 17,350 level, we are still bullish on the market, okay, because this low, this is a support where market has taken, and this is a very important low for the market, right? Okay. Now let's see how the option sellers are building the position now. As of now, if you look at this chart, 17,700 is the highest call option as of now for the next expiry, that is 1st September. 17,500 is a very good support as of now. So we'll talk about these 200 levels, 200 points level as of now. If market gives a breakout above 17,700, we can see that market can move above to 18,000. As we can also see that technical charts that market is taking a resistance at 18,000 levels. Okay. Talking about Bank Nifty now. Okay, so Bank Nifty also seen a sell off yesterday. Okay, so again, let's see what happens in the OI for Bank Nifty also. So again, it's a unwinding, right? Okay, so not a major issue for Bank Nifty as of now. The trend still hold positive. Okay, so if you see 39,000 has added a good number of straddles yesterday. Okay, and 39,500 is the resistance where we can see huge addition coming up, and that has become a major resistance for the market. Okay, on the lower side, if we go, 38,500 could be the next support if market falls. Okay, and this 1,000-point range we are anticipating as of now if market should be trading in between these two levels, right? Now let's go to the contribution. Okay, so mostly on the negative side. Okay, you can see IT was on the negative side, private banks and NBFC are the major contributors on the negative side yesterday. If you go and check the ban list, okay, so no stock because new expiry, so no ban list, right? Now, let's talk about the stocks, right? Okay, so we'll go with the first, we'll check in the trap indicator. So we have only 4 signals yesterday. So one, I'll go with Coal India, right? Coal India looks fine as of now, and it's probably good. It's liquid stock out of these stocks. So, excuse me. So this stock's again giving a breakout, and this stock is trending continuously on the higher side or on a dip. It's a good buying always for this stock as of now. So it's giving a breakout. Okay, from here, if we check Bank Baroda, Bank Baroda looks positive, no major issues from the sell side. Okay, and if we check this for the new expiry, we can check the levels. So we have seen a good unwinding on 125 because stock has moved up over that level. 130 is the highest call option. So stock can easily reach to 130. Above that, if that give a breakout, we can anticipate a 140 levels also in coming up time in probably weeks, or 120 could be a good support for this stock, right? Okay. So the trend looks positive for Bank of Baroda for over the period of 2-3 weeks, let's say, or probably this expiry, right? September. The trend looks positive. Now, second, let's try to see if there's some stocks coming up from the negative side. Okay. So if you see Aurobindo Pharma looks positive, negative because it has showing a short and short covering cycle, and 2 days short covering in between, and yesterday again it came down, right? Okay. So if we go and check Oro Pharma here, Oro Pharma looks weak from here. Simply we'll check its chart. We'll go and check daily chart. Okay. The stock trend looks weak as of now. It went up because of the short covering. So all move is because of short covering. So anyhow, the stock will break 550 level. It can fell further approximately to. It can fall further to 525 also. This level could be a, where it can move up above from that level. So 570 could be a level where we can face the resistance. Okay. So we'll go and talk about the Oro Pharma. Okay. So yes, 550 is where we can see the support. If market breaks that level, the stock breaks that level, it can again fall to 500. So on a technical chart, it is 525 level we can simply see. So that could be an easy level. And on the higher side, 580 could be the resistance we are facing right now. So, okay. So trend for Oro Pharma still look bearish. Okay. And Coal India looks positive, right? Okay. So that's all. That's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.